Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the users of accounting information. Users of accounting information. Okay, generally accounting information to know about the direct and indirectly of the users or the interested parties. Now interested parties, first one owners, second one creditors, third one investors, fourth one employees, fifth one government, sixth one public, seventh one research, and last one management. Clear? These are the users of accounting information. Now each and every financial statement and now each and every financial reports and analysis and interpreting the information providing to the direct and indirectly to the users of accounting. Now first one owners, second one creditors, investors, employees, government, public, research, last one management. Now first one owners. Owners to need the information to know about the operation of the business and financial status of the business, and finally owners are the risk takers. Finally owners are the risk takers. Okay, that's it. Owner, simply owners need the information. Which type of information? Accounting information. Owners need the information to know about operational results of the business. Operational results of the business, and as well as to know the financial status of the business. Financial status of the business, and finally because they are ultimate risk takers. Okay, clear? Now once again, the owners need the information to know about operational results of the business. Operational result of the business is nothing but profit and loss account. Okay, and next as well as to know the financial status of the business. Financial status of the business is nothing but balance sheet. And finally owners always risk takers. Okay, next creditors. Second one creditors. Simply creditors are the person who owes money to the business. Simply, creditors are the persons. Creditors are the persons who owe the money of the business. Who owe the money of the business. Who owe the money of the business. Who owe is nothing but liable or liabilities. Who owe the money of the business. Like generally creditors, short-term creditors, and next long-term creditors. Clear? Short-term creditors need the information. Short-term creditors need the information to determine the which due to pay the amount. Short-term creditors need the accounting information. Short-term creditors need the accounting information to determine they have to pay, they have owing the amount paid to the short period is known short-term creditors. Now once again, short-term creditors need the accounting information to determine they have owing. The owing is nothing but liable. Some of the payment paid, some of the payment due to the other person of the business. Amount paid to the short period. Okay. Understand? Long-term creditors need the information to determine the both solvency and liquidity of the business. Solvency and liquidity of the business. Solvency and liquidity of the business. Clear? Now once again, long-term creditors need the accounting information to determine the both the solvency and liquidity of the business. Liquidity of the business is known long-term creditors need the accounting information. Okay? Clear? Next, investors. Both the present and potential investors need the accounting information. Now both the prospectors of the present and potential of the business investment of the business. Clear? Both present and potential investors need accounting information to a prospect of both the present and potential of investment into the business. Now present investors need the accounting information to determine the the present investment invested or not. Present investment or not and present investment continue the or not is known as present investors. Now potential investors are the need the accounting information to determine the investment into the business. Investment into the business or not is known as a potential. Is known as a potential investors. Okay, investors. Next, employees. The employees interested to need the accounting information. The employees interested need the accounting information. Accounting information is similar to they want to be more salaries. They want to be more salaries and any other monetary incentives. Monetary incentives like overtime payment, like OT overtime payment, and like bonus, and like a bonus is a need for the accounting information to the employees. Clear? Employees interest to need accounting information. Accounting information. They have to accounting information, want to more salaries and want to any other incentives. Incentives is nothing but bonus and overtime payment, etc. And finally accounting information as well as account statement. Account statement. Account statement and finally any other profit sharing of the and any other schemes providing by the companies or firms or any other trader. Thus we need the accounting statement information to the employees. Okay, that's it. Next, government. Government is a need accounting information. Need accounting information or need accounting statements or reports. Accounting statements or reports. And as well as check the performance of the enterprise. Check the performance of the enterprise. And as well as checking into the cost structure and income of the enterprise. Cost structure and enterprise of the business and cost structure and income of the enterprise of the business. And finally he pay some of the amount. Some of the amount is nothing but income tax. Income tax, exchange tax and custom duty, etc. Nowadays only one tax is nothing but GST, goods, service and tax. And finally any business concern earning profit, they have some of the profit. They have some of the profit to the paid government. To the paid government is called tax. Is called as tax. Is nothing but government tax. Government tax. Okay. Clear? Government. Next, public. Next one, public. Public is nothing but consumer or customer. Need accounting information. Need accounting information and need the accounting information providing by the is nothing but expenditures. Expenditures of the product and decrease the expenditure of the product and as well as a price, reasonable price or the fixed. Reasonable price of the fixed is called public. Is called public. and each and every customer and each and customer, you know about the company. Now some of the product, generally one product 10 rupees in market. Now one of the company 8 rupees. Now customer decide the expense. Now is the 10 rupees is only 8 rupees. Now totally members public expenditure, decreasing the expenditure of the product or services and any other. Okay, this is the public. And next, research. Research is not research need the accounting information. Now how to commencing the project work and complete the project work is nothing but work in a progress, and analysis by the given data totally analysis by the compared to the last year and comparing to the how to commencing to the next academic year to the need the accounting information. Now some of the areas or some of the companies extended or expansive to compulsory need the accounting information to the researchers. And finally management. Accounting information need the communicating accounting information need to the users. Users is nothing but internal and external user. These are the totally users and need the accounting information. Now next step, the planning, controlling, and finally decision making of the management. Okay, this is the users of accounting information. Clear? Now first one, owners to find out to know about the financial operational result and financial statement. Creditors need the information are short term creditors, long term solvency and liquidity. Short term determine they have to owe in the amount. Investors present or potential. Present continue the investment. Now investment by the business or not for the future or running of the business. Now generally employees need the information like salary purpose, hike the salaries and as well as bonuses. And next, government. Finally government they can providing the taxes. They have some profit. Now any other company or any other enterprise have to some of the profit paid to the government as a tax, income tax. And public is nothing but depending upon the expenditures. And next, researchers. Now researchers is next step to the providing to the researchers. And finally management like planning, controlling, and finally decision making. Okay, this is the users of accounting information. That's it. First topic bookkeeping and accounting finished. Clear? Now in this topic all topics explained. First bookkeeping, accounting, branches of accounting, accounting advantages, disadvantages, next functions of accounting, next branches of accounting, functions of accounting, next accounting terminology, next users of accounting. Okay, this is the first topic, basic introduction to accounting topic, bookkeeping and accounting. Okay, that's it.